What's up, guys? Just opened a pack of Pokemon cards. I'm gonna open this in this video. 8 crackers.
Please don't pop them in here.
Yeah, I'm not. And this one is stars. These are all rare cards. Okay, so this one is either rare or holographic Pokemon card. So I guess I can show you the ones from here. This is the one I just got. It's Heliolisk hologram rare. That's pretty cool. I just got this one. Carbink. This is a rare. Oh, you know what? I have a lot of sleeves. I'm gonna put these in sleeves right now. That's a good idea. I found a bunch of sleeves. You know that? This one's not. It's not rare, but it's a hologram. All the rest of these are rare or holograms. They're both. This one's rare. Fiblium, Leonino. Okay, this one's rare hologram. Genesect. Rare hologram. Xerneas. Huh? No, they're not. You idiot. I bought them brand new. Oh, no, they're not real animals.
Of course, you know that.
Yeah, I know that. They could be real on like Plum Island or something. They can invent them. Anything can be real. Yveltal. Anything is possible. Rhea-Nucleus. These are rare. The last one was rare too. This one's rare too. Malamar. This one's rare. Yveltal. This one's rare. Golurk. Shut up. This one's rare. Genesect. This one's rare. Aromatisse. This one's rare. Xerneas. This one's rare. Solipede. This is rare Slurpuff. So right now I'm just gonna before I open this, I want to get some sleeves so I can put those rare cards, the rare cards in there that I have are either rare or holographic. Oh yeah, these ones are both rare holographic. No, they're not rare. They're X. These are promotion cards. XY11. These are promotional cards, but they're both holographic. Yeah, cha 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 cha. This is not what I'm looking for. I have some for the Yu-Gi-Oh things, but I don't want to use those ones. I know I have like a crap load of sleeves somewhere in here. I can't see anything in there. Gee, how come you took the light out of here? Oh, here they are. How come you took the light out of the closet, G? These are a crap load of sleeves. I don't know if those are a little too gay for me. How about these blue ones? I don't know how many I have, so I'm just gonna wing it here. We're gonna have to wing it here, okay? Oh, this is for Yu-Gi-Oh! And you just bring like maybe like 3 or 4 more. Yes, I farted again. In your face. I farted in your face. Okay, I think that's enough. Check out this screen. Yeah, I farted in the camera again.
Yeah.
It's gonna be in both videos.
Oh, nasty.
Okay, so I'm gonna place these in here. It's gonna look pretty cool. And in the next video, I'm gonna open up chaotic cards. So let's go ahead and open these ones up. Low battery. Okay, how come we don't charge the battery on this thing? Turd boss. My old channel name is Turd Boss. Nice. Oh, what the hell? They're connected? Dude, these things are connected, dude. Oh, this is probably loud as hell.
Please don't do that.
I'll do them later. I was thinking about doing them. I thought they were like smaller. I don't know. It could be really loud. Fuck. I mean, screw that, man. I'll do this later. I was gonna do it in the next video, but I don't know. Maybe another day. Alrighty. Alright, let me do that, and then I'll open these other cards up right now.